The Thumba Equatorial rocket launching station near Thiruvananthapuram is where India's space journey began. Established in 1963 close to the magnetic equator, Thumba Equatorial rocket launching station was ideal for studying the Earth's atmosphere and upper air phenomena. From here, India launched its very first sounding rocket, marking the birth of Indian space research program. Over the decades, Thumba Equatorial rocket launching station has hosted launches of scientific rockets from India and international partners, contributing to global research on weather, climate, and space science. Though today, India's major launches happen from Sriharikota, Thumba Equatorial Rocket Launching Station remains a symbol of India's pioneering spirit, a historic site where a nation's dream of space exploration took flight. Thanks for watching.